So if you're confused of how the color will come out on your hair, always take some hair out of your brush. I'm sure you're gonna have more than this. And just clump it together. Put the color you desire. So this is deep red, and we are using Allie's hair. It's not cut off, trust me. Going to put that over. So this will be like the close color. I wouldn't say exactly what it will come when you apply it, but very, very close to the color of the desired color. So we're going to leave this on for 1 to 2 hours. Just saran wrap it. Actually, I would leave it for 3 hours if you want to go dark and just see how it comes out. So we'll leave this in here and then we'll wash it and we'll come back with the results. So yesterday we applied the deep red on Allie's hair, and I just washed this and it does show visible color actually for the deep red. Now keep in mind this was left on overnight and not the 3 hours because we were in office, so it was left on. And I'm going to show you the deep red application we did on Allie and how close it is. Okay, so this is Allie's hair. She did deep red yesterday, and this is how it came out. So she's holding her strand. Can you put your hand underneath it so you can see that strand right there? And now take your hand out, and it's blending in. See how close of a color it is? So definitely do take your strands, the hairs from your comb, and just apply the henna and leave it on and see how it comes out.